Hello, I'm sitting in my studio and look what just arrived. So I thought I would open it on camera for you guys. Sorry if this is shaky, I just have my tripod on top of my desk. And I thought I would go ahead and open the box. Ooh, yum yum. Okay, so we got our regular refer a friend card and Keto Box card. We got our regular coupons from all the new people. Ooh, I'm excited about this box. Let's dig in. All right. So the first thing that I pulled out of the box is this ketobars.com bar. And I'm gonna have to flip it over because ingredients are backwards on the label here. So it's peanut butter, chocolate, coconut, non-GMO, erythritol, water, salt, and stevia. So total fat is 21 grams, total carbs is 13, 6 of that is dietary fiber, 4 of that is erythritol, and 1 is sugars, and then 8 grams of protein. And then it explains that you can find the net carb count by subtracting the fiber and erythritol from the total carbs. So that's pretty cool. So 3 grams of net carbs, 21 grams of fat, and like I said, 8 grams of protein in this bar. That's awesome. So, and then we got this grass-fed beef, uncured bacon, and jalapeno bar. I will probably share this one with Chris if it's really super spicy. But it has 9 grams of fat, 1 total carb, which is a sugar, and 14 grams of protein in the package. So I'm pretty sure that the carbs are from the dates. There's date in here, and I know those are fairly high in carbs, so they must not use too much, which is nice. Anyways, I'm excited to try this one. I picked up one of those Epic bars, I think, and they're very similar to these. So this one also says that it's Whole30 approved if you do Whole30, so that's kind of cool. Then we have a Buff Bake Fuel Bar and MCT. It's plant-based, 4 grams of net carbs. This one is Cinnamon Crunch, so that sounds delicious. There's pea protein in here, nuts, prebiotic fiber syrup, pea protein crisps, natural flavor, glycerin, MCT powder, cinnamon, sea salt, and monk fruit extract in this bar. And then contains cashews, tree nuts, almonds, produced in a facility with peanuts. So 220 calories. I guess I didn't read the calories on those other two. Oh well. 14 grams of fat, 17 grams of total carbs, but 13 of that is dietary fiber. And then 12 grams of protein. So 4 grams of net carbs, I think is what it says on the front there. So that sounds good. Cinnamon Crunch. Yum. Got a small package of wonderful pistachios. This is actually the brand that I pick up usually when I am at Sobeys. Sometimes it comes in a fabric bag, which is quite nice. I use them kind of all over the place for different things. So, but it's nice to have a tiny bag like this because then I can take it out and about with me. So this one is natural almond, and it seems like it's like a peanut buttery spread or like an almond butter spread. Ingredients: roasted almonds and sea salt. So basic ingredients: 2 tablespoons 2 tablespoons per serving, 3 servings in a container, and 190 calories, 7 grams of total carbs, 3 grams of that is fiber, and 7 grams of protein. Sorry about that. I will probably cough a couple of times in this. So anyways, that is the natural almond spread. So I think it would be a good idea to like squeeze this around because it doesn't all feel uniform. And once you squeeze it around a little bit, then you could probably use it for spreading and all that kind of stuff. All right, we got some more biltong beef. So like beef jerky. So I think the last time we got like a darker package. This time, let's see here. This time the container or the serving size is 1 ounce and 2 servings per container. 80 calories, 1.5 grams of fat, less than 1 gram of total carbs, and 15 grams of protein. So this is the kind of stuff that I would like to take on our trip with us, because it contains mostly protein, a little bit of fat. And so with me eating high protein keto, this is sort of the ones that I would like to have on our trip. So great. All right, and then California Keto Peanut Butter Chocolate K-Bites. No bake energy bite mix. 1 gram net carb per serving. Just add peanut butter and water. Yum. Easily customize your mix. Make 12 no bake energy bites. So the directions say place in a bowl, add a 1/4 cup of nut butter or coconut oil, and a 1/4 cup of water. Mix until combined, shape into bites or bars, and enjoy. So we can make our own protein bars. That's cool. And so there's 6 grams of fat, 6 grams of total carbohydrates, but 2 of that is dietary fiber, and 3 of that is sugar alcohol. And the sugar alcohol in here is erythritol, so that's okay. And then 6 grams of protein. So cool. So that'll be neat to make. I can make some of those and then throw them in the fridge or whatever. Sorry about the cough. Keto Farms Keto Snack Mix Strawberry Gouda. Fresh fruit and, oh, it just says fruit. Fruit and cheese mix with sprouted pecans and almonds. So this looks to be like Gouda cheese, sprouted organic peanuts, sprouted transitional almonds, strawberry MCT oil, cold water, and sea salt. And the nutritional information is 170 calories. 170 calories. 13 grams of fat. 5 total grams of carbs. 2 of that is dietary fiber. And then 7 grams of protein. So I guess this is just like a little quick little strawberry snack. Nut snack. Ooh. Natural Heaven Veggie Pasta Noodles. Lasagna shape. Only 1 ingredient. Gluten-free, keto, vegan, and paleo. So it says there's only 1 ingredient. Oh, they're palm hearts. Peach palm hearts. Interesting. I've been wanting to try those palm heart noodles, so this would be a good way to try it. And they even give you, let me just turn the light back on. They even give you like a little recipe on the back for a lasagna. And then the nutritional facts about 2.5 servings per container. Serving size is about 1/2 cup. And the calories per serving is 25. Per the whole container is 70. Total fat is 0 grams of fat, but 0.5 for the whole container. Total carbs, 4 grams per serving and 11 grams per the whole container. But 2 of that per serving and 5 per container is dietary fiber. And then 1 gram per serving or 3 grams of protein. So this looks pretty interesting. It says place your lasagna in the stove to heat for approximately 15 minutes, or microwave. Place your lasagna in the stove and I don't know. It says the same directions for both, look. So I don't know. Except for 2 to 5 minutes. So it should say microwave and heat for 2 to 5 minutes, I think. Oh well, that's okay. We will try it. That sounds delicious. And then they also have nashi shape, if that's how you say it, and then spaghetti shape. So, yum. Sounds great. Okay, so I've been excited for this one. Chalk Zero sent us, or they, in the box came Chalk Zero strawberry syrup. I'm going to try these on my Kegos, chaffles, Kegos, whatever you want to call them, egg waffles. I'm going to try this on that, I think. And per serving size is 1 tablespoon, 30 calories, 0 grams of fat, 13 grams of carbs, but 11 of that is dietary fiber, and 0 protein. But you know what? For a little treat sometimes, this will be great. So I'm quite excited about that. I actually saw like a sneak peek of just this, so I knew we were getting this, but that's all I knew. And then, ooh, we got a Yerba Mate enhanced sparkling water, or Yerba Mate, I guess it's called. This is a lemon flavor, and the nutritional facts for this: 0 grams of fat, 0 carbs, 0 protein. So, like water. So that sounds yummy. I think I might have this tonight. We will see. So anyways, that is the keto box for the month. I hope that you enjoyed that. This box looks very full of fabulous things. I just dropped the peanut butter on the floor. Fabulous things that I am super excited to try, especially this. I think I joined just after they brought out the chocolate syrup in this box, and I'm so sad I missed it. So I'm excited to try the strawberry for sure. So anyways, that is that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please give it a thumbs up and help my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching.